CBSE Mathematics Class 12, Exercise 6.4, Question number 1, Part 7. देखिए, we have to find the approximate value of 26 raised to power 1 by 3. So in step 1, what we will do, that x plus delta x, that will be equal to 26. So we have to find the nearest number first of all. You see that 26, 27. I have written x is equal to 27. So we have to assume that x is equal to 27 plus delta x will be equal to 26. So delta x will be equal to 26 minus 27. That will be equal to minus 1. Now in step 2, y is equal to x raised to power 1 by 3. देखिए भाई x is equal to y is equal to क्या लिया है, y is equal to x raised to power 1 by 3. So that will be equal to 27 raised to power 1 by 3, and it will be equal to 3. In step 3 we will deviate, we will differentiate y with respect to x. You see here y is equal to x raised to power 1 by 3. So dy by dx will be equal to 1 by 3 into x raised to power 1 by 3 minus 1, and further it will be equal to 1 by 3 x raised to power minus 2 by 3. Now I have solved it here, 1 upon 3. So x raised to power 1, x raised to power, it is only 2 by 3, क्योंकि जब नीचे ला दिया तो पावर प्लस में हो जाएगा. It will be x raised to power 2 by 3. So in place of x, I have written here 27 raised to power 2 by 3. Now that 27 can be also written here 3 raised to power 3 and whole raised to power 2 by 3. That will be equal to, see, 3 square and 3 this, it will become 1 by 27. So 1 by 27 I have solved, it will be equal to 0.037. So step 3 is over now. Now step 4. Delta y is equal to dy by dx into delta x. अब देखिए dy by dx हमने कहाँ से निकाला है. देखिए dy by dx की वैल्यू क्या है हमारा, 1 by 27 कर दीजिए या, तो मैंने यहाँ पर लिख दिया फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 1 by 27 माइनस 1 इंटू माइनस 1. डेल्टा एक्स की वैल्यू जो आया है ये देखिए, डेल्टा एक्स स्टेप 1 में उसको हमने सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया यहाँ पर. तो जब मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और 1 by 27 को भी सॉल्व करेंगे तो यू गेट 0.037, बट हियर इट इज माइनस, सो दैट इज माइनस 0.037. In from step 4 we have got delta y. Now step 5, that is y plus delta y. Y plus delta y, and y plus delta y, that will be equal to 27 raised to power 1 by 3. 27 raised to power 1 by 3 minus 0.037. So this will be equal to 3. Here I have written 3. That is 3 minus 0.37, and it will be equal to 2.963. In this way, this will be the required answer of 7th part of question number 1, 7th part. Now come to the 8th part. In eighth part, 255 raised to power 1 by 4. We have to find out the approximate value of 255 raised to power 1 by 4. So in step 1 what we do that we just assume 1 by 4 का जो 1/4 रूट निकालते हैं 1/4 root of 256. It is very near to it, that is 256. So here first of all you write down x plus delta x is equal to 255. Now we assume that the value of x is equal to 256. And this value x should be very near to it. And moreover, the solution will be easily solved. Now, in place of x, I have written 256. Now, delta x plus delta x will be equal to 255. Now, the delta x is equal to 255 minus 256, and it will be equal to -1. Now, step 2. Y is equal to x raised to power 1 by 4. We have taken the function as a y and x, let it be the x raised to power 1 by 4. So here 256 raised to power 1 by 4, that is 4 raised to power 4. 4 raised to power 4 का मतलब क्या होगा 256 and whole raised to power 1 by 4. So we will ultimately get 4. Means from step 2 we have got the value of y, that is 4. Now proceed to the step 3. Y is equal to x raised to power 1 by 4. Now differentiate dy by dx. It will be equal to 1 by 4 x raised to power 1 by 4 minus 1. So it will be equal to 1 by 4 x raised to power minus 3 by 4. Now I have brought it in the denominator, so 1 by 4 x raised to power 3 by 4, and it will be equal to 1 upon 4 into 256 raised to power 3 by 4. So 1 by 4 as it is. Here in place of 256 I have written 4 raised to power 4 and whole raised to power 3 by 4. 4 cancel हो जाएगा. We will get 4 raised to power 3. 4 raised to power 3 यहाँ पर है और 1 by 4 ये है. So 4 बेस सेम है तो पावर ऐड हो जाएगा. So it will become 4 raised to power 4. See, I have written here 1 upon 4 raised to power 4. That will be equal to 1 upon 256. So dy by dx, where x is equal to 256 at that time, its value will be 0.00390,625. Now step 5, y plus delta y. So y we have got from the step 2. Write down the value of y, that is 4, and delta y from the step 3. We have got minus 0.00390,625. After solving you will get 3.99609,375, and it will be approximately equal to 3.996. This is the answer of question number, part number 8, question number 1. Now, ninth part of the question number 1, that is 82 raised to power 1 by 4. अब 82 को हम 81 जानते हैं. So step 1, that is x plus delta x is equal to 82. So in place of x I have written 81 plus delta x is equal to 82. So delta x will be equal to 82 minus 81, that is equal to 1. Now in step 2, y is equal to x raised to power 1 by 4 that will be equal to 81 raised to power 1 by 4. So 81 can be written as 3 raised to power 4 whole raised to power 1 by 4, that is equal to 3. Now step 3, y is equal to x raised to power 1 by 4. Now differentiate it with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by 4 into x raised to power 1 by 4 minus 1. After solving you will get 1 by 4 x raised to power minus 3 by 4. Now here you see 1 by 4 into 1 upon x raised to power 3 by 4. Further, in place of x, you can write 1 by 4, 81 raised to power 3 by 4. 1 by 4 as it is, 1 upon 3 raised to power 4 whole raised to power 3 by 4. This 4 and 4 will be cancelled. 1 by 4 into 3 raised to power 3. 3 raised to power 3. After solving you will get 1 upon 4 into डिनोमिनेटर में 27. तो सॉल्व किया 3 रेस्ट टू पावर 3, 4 को तो ऐसे ही लगा 3 रेस्ट टू पावर 3 का मतलब हो गया 27. तो 24 into 27 that will be equal to 1 upon 108, and divide it and solve the solution of it, that will be equal to 0.009259. Now in step 5, that is the last step. So y plus delta y, in place of y you write down 3 here because we have done already. You see the y from step 2, that y is equal to 3. So write down here y is equal to 3. Delta y you can take from the step 3, that is, step 4, you can take step 4, that is 0.009259. Write down here and add it, you will get 3.009259, and this is the required answer of the part 9th of question number 1. Now come to the 10th part of question number 1, that is 401 raised to power 1 by 2. So step 1, x plus delta x is equal to 401. In place I have taken x is equal to, let x is equal to 400. So 400 plus delta x is equal to 401. So delta x is equal to 401 minus 400, and it will be equal to 1. So now proceed to the step 2, that is y is equal to x raised to power 1 by 2. So it will be equal to 400 raised to power 1 by 2, that is 20. Now in step 3, dy by dx, that is equal to 1 upon 2 root of x, that will be equal to 1 upon 2 root of 400. 1 upon 2, 1 upon root of 400. So after solving you will get 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 20, you will get 1 upon 40. Now proceed to the question part, step 4. So delta y is equal to dy by dx into delta x. So dy by dx is 0.025 into 1, and after multiply again you will get 0.025. Now here step 5, y plus delta y, so it will be equal to 20 plus 0.025, and it will be equal to 20.025. This is the required answer of part 10 of question number 1. That's all.